Oh, I saw your question on the discussion board, and you got a random sample of 89 eighth grade students score on National Math Assessment Test has a mean score of 275. Test results prompt a state school administrator to declare that the mean score for the state's eighth graders on this exam is more than 270. Assume that the population standard deviation is 37 at an alpha of 0.15. Is there enough evidence to support the administrator's claim? Okay, so you made the claim correctly here. They're saying the population mean is 270, and he's claiming, his claim is that his school scored better than 270. So this, the alternative hypothesis is the claim that he scored higher than that, 275, but the null hypothesis is, equal to or less than or equal to. And so you come down here and you find the standardized test statistic Z for the given information, and then you also find the p-value. Now the p-value is real important here. It's 0.101. I guess you maybe use technology to find that, and alpha is 0.15, and so the p-value is less than alpha, and so that leads us to reject the null hypothesis. So we're going to reject the null hypothesis. So if we reject this, that means we're going to support the alternative hypothesis, which is the claim they're wanting to make. So at the 15% significant level, there is enough evidence to support the claim, okay, that their scores is more than 270. And so anytime you reject the null hypothesis, that means you don't support the alternative hypothesis. And so if you do not reject the null hypothesis, then there wouldn't be sufficient evidence for the claim. I hope this helps.